My favorite way to cook Gai Lan, also known as Chinese broccoli, is this simple stir fry. For this, you'll need 500 grams of Gai Lan. Try to find tender stalks. Generally, the smaller the stalks, the more tender they'll be. Today we're using regular Gai Lan, but whenever I can, I try to find baby Gai Lan as it tends to be much more tender. Start off by giving your Gai Lan a thorough wash and keep it drained. Now we're going to trim the ends of the stalks and discard them. Although the flowers are edible, I prefer to discard them as well. Now we're going to separate the leaves from the stems. And we're going to cut the stems at a diagonal, cut into an even size thickness for uniform cooking. We can also chop up the leaves roughly. Go ahead and continue this process for all the stalks. So I have all my Kailan ready. Rinse it once again and keep it drained, and then we're going to prepare a quick liquid seasoning. For this, you need about a quarter cup of chicken or vegetable seasoning, or you can use a quarter cup of water mixed with 1 tablespoon of concentrated liquid seasoning. I'm using chicken seasoning here, mixed with half a teaspoon of raw sugar, and optional is 1 tablespoon of Chinese cooking wine. We also need 1 inch of ginger that's been cut into coins like this, as well as 8 to 10 whole cloves of garlic. Heat around 1.5 tablespoons of oil in a large wok and heat it till smoking. Add in the ginger and garlic. Keep stir frying till the garlic and ginger turns golden. Be careful not to burn your garlic. You can regulate the heat during this process. Once the garlic has turned golden brown, we're going to add in the chopped up Gai Lan. Now, on a high heat, toss the Gai Lan well to coat completely with the oil. Once all the Gai Lan is coated nicely with the oil, we're going to add in the liquid seasoning. Reduce the heat, cover and cook for 4 minutes. Open and check on one of those stalks to see if they're tender. When pierced with a knife or fork, it should be tender. If not, you can cook for another minute or so. You also don't want to cook it too long, as the Gai Lan stalk should remain al dente. Now create a well in the center of the wok and add in 2 to 3 tablespoons of oyster sauce and half a teaspoon of Asian sesame oil. Allow it to come to a simmer and then stir everything together on a high heat. The oyster sauce and liquid seasoning should thicken and coat the leaves beautifully. Your stir-fried Gai Lan is ready to be served with rice and other side dishes. Enjoy!